Guys, what are our names?
Alan.
Kit.
We're here to go sky jumping. Whose idea was this?
Mine.
Idea.
That's our plan, guys. We're gonna climb in, climb up, climb out. We're gonna do this? We got last words? We're good to go?
I'm good to go.
Yes.
Let's party. I like that. See you guys in the sky.
I'm doing great! Oh, it's amazing! Wow! Hi, Stella, Tilly!
Oh, buddy!
Hi, I love you!
Was that cool, huh?
Yeah, it's very cool.
You're nuts.
Yeah! I am not scared! I can do it!
Guys, we gotta do parachute stuff. Give it to me right there. Awesome. We'll see you guys in a little bit. There you go. Pull towards your body. There you go. See? You pull towards your body. See? That's how we do it, right? Look at you go. All right. Oh no! You spin this off. Look at you go. Keep up, keep up, keep up, keep up.
No! I am tired.
We gotta get upwind. What's going on, guys?
No, I didn't rest.
All right.
I'm very tired.
You're doing great. Guys, we're having too much fun up here. We gotta get ready to land. Are you all right?
Yes.
We're killing it, guys. This is too much fun. We'll see you all a little bit.
Okay.
Wow, we got everybody here, guys.
I'm dizzy.
All right, you did your first skydive.
Yes.
Serious question. Would you do that again?
No.
No? That's scary, wasn't it?
Yeah.
One and done. Thanks,
and
guys.
done.
We'll see you later.
Okay.
He's like, nope.